Gone.
There he is.
Tell me about you the media guy?
Yeah.
Photographer guy? You gotta get the cool license card?
No, no.
Oh, there's another guy who's the media guy.
Yeah, he was here.
No, I heard about him though. Oh, I want to bump into these media guys and find out like how you do it. Not that I work with another surf pro. And another surf pro has to down in Milwaukee, trainer for their responders. Anyway, long story short, I was curious, like, how do you get your business? Like, do you sell directly to the papers and stuff? Or?
Anybody, really.
Yeah.
They all want it.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's online, so.
Yeah.
Is the ambulance coming over to got away?
I don't think so. I'm not sure. How do you get your information? Just listen to the radio.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
I got the call when I was North Marine driving a cruise.
Oh, okay.
But there was really nothing big going on.
So you're like, no, I'll go check.
So, but then the call was on the side south.
Yeah.
Then they said we got it out, no big.
Yeah.
But then another one was hitting me.
Yeah, I got canceled.
Yeah.
It was an intersection. Someone thought it saw a food cat.
I don't know why people can't tell the difference between a house on fire and
it was in the sun. They said that person was confused between the sunset and the fire. You really can smell it. I know. Like with this one, kind of smells well from that.
Yeah, it was kind of like furnace exploding or burning.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Like furnace exploding or something like that.
Yeah. I was all the way to McKinley when I heard it was canceled. So
yeah.
So it was nearby.
Like a better investment.
Yeah, but it was kind of back up there.
Yeah.
What was the thing? Oh my god. I got a call earlier about fire. Not early, really early. Last night.
Yeah.
Like, house fire. Someone's barbecue.
Oh yeah.
You couldn't tell because apparently the fire was across the street.
Yeah, it happens all the time.
You couldn't smell the barbecue, the burgers, they were cooking.
Yeah, it happens all the time.
And the fire department shows up, you have to, worry about burning your burgers or whatever they have.
Yeah, well, it happens all the time. It just looks like it really smells.
Yeah, it's good. Where's the occupant?
The occupant and the house is the guy that's on fire.
Oh, okay, cool. Apparently a fire station in two different spots on I-405.
Yeah, I believe it.
I think it was caused cigarette.
I don't know what caused this. I didn't hear anything.
No. About vegetation fires.
Oh yeah, that happens all the time.
But it's during the summer usually.
Yeah.
You'll see how many are going, but
Yeah, I guess that's what the summer that pops up.
oh yeah. I live in Vancouver. I was
Orders?
he was with the media. I was
there with the restoration responders. So
You realize that much stuff in the back of your car?
oh, I know. He was pretty nice.
Yeah, there's a pack of cigarettes and a beer bottle in
Oh,
there.
not beer. He was barely broke into sell a house before he get the camera. I'll pick it up. Don't worry about it. I know litter. I'll get it after we're done. So. Yeah, I need to clean it out. Once the thing goes up in Barbie. It's busy, so I just have to clean it up. Could be like dumpster or dump. That's all. Once it's like soda cans and all that.
So who do you work for?
Freelance. I think that's solid. Freelance will sell it to anybody who wants it. But this probably going online. Yeah. It's the only thing really going on, so.
There was a store over there that caught on fire yesterday, the day before. Yeah, maybe that was stuff out there. The only reason to do it is to go buy it.
Yeah, unfortunately, I was in Vancouver. I really can't help. Yeah, soon, so.
Brian Chella, and I'm a guest of the owner, and Steve, and the garage started on fire. We found out because the alarm started going off, and then the dog actually started following us around. We were like, "What's going on? Why is she following us around so much?" And then we kept looking, where's the smoke coming from, and then finally we realized it was in the garage. And when we saw the fire, you know, we made a feeble attempt at trying to put it out, and then we realized we need to call the fire department, and they came super fast. Actually, we were leaving the house; they came before we were even out of the house, so they were super fast.
That's all.
Yeah, we're very pleased with their
response. If you could estimate how long it took the fire department since your initial call, how long do you think it took them to get here?
It was probably less than 5 minutes.
That's actually better than average.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, they were here super quick. So, I mean, things were happening fast, but I would say at the most it was 5 minutes.
Oh, that's really. So, how much? This is, you don't have to answer it. How much damage do you think was caused? Monetary or anything?
Really sure, because I don't know if the water heater's completely destroyed or what, but the I haven't really looked at what the inside looks like, but we do have someone that he does that.
So restore guy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Brandon, by the way.
Brandon.
I'll shake my hand.
Thank you.
Ooh, I got that for you, man. You good?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. I don't want you dropping into the cutie right there.
Yeah. She was really freaked out.